Facebook is built to keep you connected to your friends, and that can make for a really frustrating experience when you miss an important notification. iPhone notifications can be really finicky, even as they continue to evolve with each new OS update. If you've been missing out on likes, comments, birthday notifications, and more, making sure your Facebook notifications are set up properly is a must. Here's how it's done. Just like most other social networks on your iPhone, to enable notifications for Facebook, you'll need to make sure you check your settings in both your phone's settings menu and within the app itself. To check your current notification settings, open iOS's settings menu, then scroll through your list of apps until you find Facebook. Alternatively, just use the search bar at the top of the settings menu to search for Facebook. From here, ensure that Allow Notifications is enabled and that all types of notifications that you want to be shown are also toggled on. Feel free to look through your settings menu and select the ones you wish to modify. You should also make sure your phone is not currently on Do Not Disturb mode, which will mute notifications and hide them from your lock screen. To check your notification settings on Facebook, open the app and tap on the triple line icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down, then select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings to open Facebook's settings menu. Finally, tap on Notification Settings from this menu. You can adjust what Facebook notifies you for and how it pings your notifications. So to change a setting, just tap on that setting and toggle it on or off. Once you're satisfied with your modified savings, just exit out of the app. All your changes will be saved automatically. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering iOS and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.